Dear all, welcome to week one. This recording is going to cover chapters one and two, and I hope to add some value and extra tidbits of know how. And I'm going to infer that from the 22 years that I was at IBM until my recent retirement. The first 10 years was asset management, the second 10 years was the Watson division. All right, let's begin. I have in front of me, I've opened the book, and the first page that I want to bring your attention to is page five, chapter one. Chapter one, is it page five? Notice we have descriptive, predictive, prescriptive, and AI cognitive boxes. And frankly, each one of these boxes actually happens to have a job title that goes with it. For example, descriptive statistics. Data journalists are the ones who work very much into that realm. I'm a great fan of the Economist magazine, and a lot of the analytics done there, the visualization done there is by data journalists. They have a keen eye. Should I use a bar chart, a pie chart, a scattergram? How can I relay the meaning, the information best? And they use tools they don't necessarily dabble with Python. Tableau, which we have it in this course, Excel, they do plenty good. They can provide the visualization that a data journalist in the world of descriptive statistics may do. Next one says predictive. So once we have understood what the data points are, our next course is to predict. You look at the back, regression, and you predict. Interestingly enough, I would encourage you to think of AI as the prediction machine. The entire thing is designed to predict, whether it is ChatGTP, which it guesses, predicts the next word because it has the highest confidence value, or if it's an image that's trying to decipher that this is my face. And so it's a prediction. The one that has 98% confidence value is the one that we get to see. Data analysts, they often work in this realm. Uh, Modeling may take place in here, but at some point they end up passing the buck to prescriptive analytics. This is where optimization, modeling, machine learning come into place. So the folks that live in this bucket, not only they have a sense of working with data, but also they have a sense of what it takes to make those predictions, the algorithms. And we have AI and cognitive. Pattern discovery, image recognition, text recognition. I would add to that videos. Nowadays, videos are also coming into play. uh, Perhaps if you want to put all of these together, or the last bucket, the job title known as a data scientist is the one that comes to my mind. I was a data scientist at IBM for the past 10 years. And one of the key tenets of the data scientist is their sense of curiosity. Why? That's how they start their questions. We have our neighbor over here, the young kid goes, Papa, why are you mowing the lawn? I love that. That's something that gets lost in us as we grow older and older. That sense of curiosity. Data scientists are storytellers. If you find yourself as being a storyteller, that might be a really interesting thing to bring these two together. And yes, they know Python. Data scientists also have something that the data analyst or the data engineer or the data journalist may not have, and that is a pain point. The data scientist is the one that has an angst over the way things are. And so they want to find out, make a prediction, and make it better. It's a personal pain point that they may have. Very good. And I want to bring your attention now to page 14. I have some stories to tell you on that page. I'm picking out the sections from chapters 1 and 2 that I think they harken a little bit better, clearer, and some verbiage around it to just make it that much more palatable, or so the hope is. So I'm looking at page 14 and exhibit 1.6. We're seeing discrete, continuous, binary, nominal, ordinal, interval. Allow me to share my screen. I put this into a PowerPoint, and this might help just give you an additional view as I begin to do this. 1 second.